Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shopify for custom domain and DNS settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Shopify for a custom domain and configure DNS settings, begin by visiting the Shopify website. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address, create a password, and choose a store name. Follow the prompts to complete the account creation process. Once your store is set up, navigate to the Online Store section from the left sidebar. Select Domains from the drop-down menu. Click on the Buy New Domain button to search for an available domain name. Enter your desired domain name in the search bar and click Search. If your preferred domain is available, proceed by clicking Add to Cart. Fill in the required information for your domain registration. Select your preferred payment method and complete the purchase. After purchasing your domain, return to the Domain section. Now, click on the domain you just acquired. Find the DNS settings or Manage DNS option and click on it. You'll see the current DNS records here. If you're connecting an external domain, you'll need to update the record. Point the record to Shopify's IP address, which is 23.227.38.65. Also, if necessary, update the name record for subdomains. Point the name record for www to your primary Shopify domain. After making these changes, save the settings. Now, return to the Domains section in Shopify. Click on Set as Primary next to your new domain if you want it to be the main one for your store. Wait for the DNS changes to propagate, which can take up to 48 hours. After propagation, your Shopify store will be accessible via your custom domain. Regularly check your DNS settings to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Congratulations, you're now ready to start selling with your custom domain on Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.